Guess who's not in school today? Well, I guess you don't have to guess. I'm obviously not in today, but I want to share with you what we would do. This would be on Mac, so I'd be blabbing about it, so I might as well do it from home. If you were wondering why I'm not in today, here's your hint. Isn't that cute? Babies are nice and fun and adorable. So, no Mr. LaForte today. No music either. Today you're in groups. We started groups yesterday, but you worked alone. But today the goal is to work with the people you're with, so it doesn't make sense to block your ears with music. So, no music, no nonsense. Let's get into this. 4 main things on your table today. Number 1, some of you guys already did, some of you may not have, but it's important that you watch the video, the awesome video, whatever. The video that's on Google Classroom. It's 8 minutes long, and it goes along with the notes that you took. You don't have the notes on you, so it's important that you're familiar with the video, and you can use that later on. The second piece, that shouldn't take too long. Don't spend much time on it. The front is, paper 15, the front is has some fill-in-the-blank stuff for you as a review. The back is a map that you just want to add color to, blue, green, reddish, or orange. And make sure that you're reddish or orange. Oh, excuse me. Not much sleep with throwing up babies. The red or the orange should be in the center area. The tropical region near the equator. So make sure you do that right. Last year people were doing it wrong and we had to kill a bunch of trees and it was sad. So alright, once you're done with that and you wanted to start this as a group, so try and get it so that everyone's there. If some people aren't quite done with the second part, skip it and come back to it, and let's do the third one together. How many wonders? Sorry about that. Alright, so based on the reading you did yesterday and the awesome video, attempt to solve the riddle at the end of the Climates of the World Quiz 2018. Work as a group to ensure that all members are moving along. So we want to make sure that no one's falling behind, no one's going out way ahead. And let's get into this. So I'm going to close. I'm going to go to Classroom. Alright, so I cheated, but let me go back a moment. So once you're in, you should see something that looks like this. I still cheated, but whatever. This should be at the top, just under this video. If you open it, Climates of the World Quiz 2018, you all have your own, and it looks like this. Very nice. No need to hit present. In fact, don't hit the present button, because then you won't be able to edit it, and you want to be able to edit it. So, here's me. Directions. After you've watched the Climates of the World video, answer each of the 12 questions by moving the correct choice into the dotted box within each question. That'll make more sense in a moment. Revisit the video if you need to. An example has been done for you. So, let's go to the first slide, the second slide with the first with stuff on it. Example has to do with what people are like. So the options were culture, civics, geography, or history. We all know that's culture, so I took the box that was here, moved it over here, and a magical A was hiding behind it. Ooh, how exciting. So that's the game plan. Let's do the first one just to make sure it's nice and clear. Climate is blank weather. The same as? No. Less important than? No. Better than? Weird answer. Different than? That sounds good. So I'm going to move this over. And magically in M. Isn't that exciting? M is in Michael. So that's what you'll do for all of them for number 2. If you think the answer is Centurator, then move that over there. Feel free. Do it for 1, 2, 3. On the next slide, you've got 4 through 7, 8 through 11, and number 12 is hiding. Oh my god. No, 12 is hiding at the top here. Last year, people couldn't find it. It was embarrassing for them. But there's number 12. So, once you're done with that, check this out. There is a riddle. What was the first toy ever advertised on television? I guess that's not a riddle as much as a trivia question, but whatever, bear with me. So, answer for number 1, we said it was M, so I would put an M in here. Whatever the letter that was behind the box on number 2, I would put here. There's a space, we'll leave it alone. So we'll fill this out. So let's say these are your answers. Yeah. Right. So if your answer starts to look like this, you might say, those seem to be words, my friend. That would tell you that you have an answer that's probably right, if it makes sense. If instead you have something that looks like this, right, that doesn't spell anything, not in English anyway. So that clue kind of lets you know that you're not on the right track. Some of your answers are wrong. So instead of having to have a teacher tell you that your answers are correct, when you plug them in, if they spell an answer that makes sense, guess what? You did it. So you can kind of check your answers that way. And again, work within your groups. You've got 3 or 4 or 5 brains. Might as well put them together to get this done. All right. This is our main goal for today. All right. Hopefully you can get through that. If I go back to directions, then I get to our 4th piece. If you have anything that you haven't finished, absolutely do that first. But then you can work on any geography games at Lefort.weebly.com. Well, there it is. Lefort.weebly.com. So that's the plan. You're not going to hand anything in today. It'll stay in your binder. That being paper 15. This you should finish. And now you can kind of see here, it might be hidden by the corner of my face. So go away, face. I don't think my face went away. Go away, face. There it is. So we're gonna have a quiz on Monday for this. So your goal today is to get ready to do that. If you are able to do that quiz game, you'll be in good shape. All right. Other than that, just make sure you do a good job today. Be respectful, and I will see you Monday. Have a good day. Have a good weekend. Don't let any babies throw up on you.